Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. Lorraine here from Handcrafted by Lorraine. Sorry, can't speak. I'm here just to do a little flip through of a little hinged flip out journal that I've made, and I can't claim credit for creating, well I can for creating it, but for the idea it's not one of mine. And I can't remember. You watch so many videos and I cannot remember who I've watched, and I think Pink Monarch I think Pink Monarch Digitals is she called. I'm sorry, I'll try and link it below, and then you can go and have a look, because she did a beautiful one. So I've made this. So it's my first attempt at this hinged flip out journal, and I quite like making them. It might be a bit of a new obsession. So I've just used seam binding as the tie, and the front cover, I hope you can see this, there you go. Front cover, I've used some of her digital papers, so that I wished I could remember her name, I'm really sorry. So I've used some of the digitals, because when you buy the kit that I used, you get these journal cards, these tall journal cards, and so I've used just the journal cards from the kit, and along with other bits and pieces. So the front cover has two pockets. One of them's a tag from the kit, and this is an Artemis journal card, a freebie from Artemis, and a little name tag, and two little tag stroke journal cards tucked inside, but you can tuck other things inside, of course. So then you flip it over. It's fastened together with these seam binding strips. So again, some more paper from the digital and a little pocket from the kit. Another one of Artemis's journal cards tucked behind there, and a little seed packet from the kit, with a little journal tag on top. And inside of the seed packet is some journal note paper and two tags. One tag there and a little one from the kit there. So lots of little secret journal space in there, and that just flips behind in there. I've decorated this pocket with some crocheted lace trim. Here I've put a tuck spot on this side with some crocheted lace trim, and just behind the tuck spot is some more of the digital kit with a tag that I've just collaged some, I don't know where I've got this from, this little floral thing, and a tag, and again some more journal paper. So for a little flip out thing, there's lots of space for you to put journal things or add things or hide things. Again, another flip over and another tuck spot that I've put on this nice black lace trim, and inside there again some more journal paper, on coffee dyed paper, that, and another tag that I've just added some little bits onto, left blank at the back, for journaling. I haven't put ribbons or lace on any of the tags because it just adds bulk into the pockets. They've all been hole punched, and they've all got a reinforcer on just to strengthen them if somebody wants to use them in that way. This page here, I've made a little notebook, and it fits in. I've just put a little band across the top of that page and just used some of the digital paper, some coffee stained pages, some digital graph paper. This is from Tracy Fox. She has a grungy papers kit, and that's from there. More coffee paper and some more of the paper from the journal kit. and this just tucks behind there. So if and when you use the notepad, you can just replace it. You can put a new notepad in there. So again, lots of journal space inside of there. And then here is a belly band. I've just used some of the digital paper, put this lace trim on and this number 8 tag. And behind there again is another large journal tag, and again it's reinforced but no ribbon or lace on it. All of the pages have been stitched around the edges, so it strengthens it, and the doubled are the pages. There's two layers. So here we have a double pocket and a little pocket in this journal tag here. So just 2 tags again from the kit, tucked into these pockets. And again, you can add more things into the pocket. The space is available. So that's that one. The back page is a large pocket, and inside is a journal tag. But then what you do is, let me move it this way, is you open it this way. So that's the back page. Here we have another pocket that's been decorated with crocheted lace trim, and another little seed packet with a tag to open, and inside again is some coffee stained paper for journaling. And this one is a corner pocket, again crocheted lace trim and some collage ticket on there, a tag from the kit, and I've just added this little mushroom card on, left blank on the back for journaling. Another pocket with crocheted lace trim, another tag from the kit with this little quote tag on. Again another tag from the kit, and I've just added this faux stamp onto there just to give it a little bit of interest, and another small tag from the kit. Here's another double pocket. This has got some crocheted lace trim on. I don't know why I haven't put it on there, maybe I'll go back and put some on there. Another tag ducking behind there, and inside of the front pocket again some more little note paper just tucked inside there, one of the tags from the kit for journaling, and another tag again left blank for journaling. So that's it, that's the little flip journal. So lots of spaces for journaling, and it could fit inside of a journal, or it can just go as an extra with your journals, or you can just use it like this as a travel journal, so that you've not got too much bulk for when you're travelling about. So that's that one that I've really enjoyed making. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another one, and what I'll do is I'll video as I'm making that one. I'll just get my things out. I've already started gathering stuff for it, and I'm using a kit from Line Dot Arrow, and it's called Industrial Findings, and it's a really nice kit, and I'm doing a larger one. As you can see, these are a lot bigger than my original, so it's going to be more like a normal journal. And what I've already cut out some of the digitals from the kit, and cut them to size, rounded the corners. I'm going to stitch around them, and what I'm going to do is I will record as I'm going along making these journal cards that are going to go into secret pockets. This isn't from Line Dot Arrow, this is an Artemis Autumn Glory, I think it's called, or Autumn Splendour, I can't remember which one, but I just like the colours, it seemed to go with that. And then I've got some tags from the kit, some pockets, envelopes, pockets again, some journal cards, or they can be used as pockets, and some tabs. So that's the start of it, and I will do the video, and maybe you can craft along, maybe you can prepare your own and craft along with me as I do it. They are really good fun to make, and it's something different than my normal journals. So I just enjoyed doing something different for a change. So thank you for watching. Please watch out for these videos and this little mini series as I create this, and craft along with me and comment along as we're doing it together. So thank you, stay well, stay safe, and have a good day. Bye.